Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're continuing on with our challenges. So Python Challenge 3. So we are going to have a function that is going to return or take in the number of seconds. It's going to be passed the number of seconds, and we're going to need to convert it into how many days. Actually, let's do years. Let's do years, days. What's that? See if I can go backwards. Days, hours, minutes, and then of course the remainder seconds. And once you think about it, you'll be able to do it. So that is challenge number 3, and we'll see how these do over the weekend. And I just wanted to throw these out. The first one seemed to do well. I'm recording 2 and 3 in the same day, so we'll see how that goes. So all right. So now on to the answer of challenge 2. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. We do one subject at a time, and we're experimenting with some challenges, some programming problems. So the challenge 2 was to have a function return, print out the largest number and the smallest number from a list. So those are pretty simple. We know that those tools are at hand, but I made it a little bit more challenging to what would you do, how would you find the second largest and the second smallest? So let's think about something that we have in our toolbox. Sorted. So it takes an iterable, return a new list containing all items in ascending order. So if we were to take our list here, def second smallest, take pass L, L equals, because it says return new list, so I do need to do sorted, L, then print L, so it would be in ascending order, so the second one would be there. Then def second largest, L, my goodness guys, sorry, sorted, L, then print L. Now we're going from the top down, so it would be the second backwards. Let's put these in memory and pass it. Second. I'm concerned my computer is about on its last leg. Second smallest, 2, and second, oh my word, second largest. Should be 3. And a sorted X, second smallest, second largest. So that's just something to get you to get your problem solving juices going. But now you need to solve a second conversion function. And I know you guys can do it. You guys have that skill set. But as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure it's fall. Let's make sure we're sharing this with everybody we know who's trying to learn Python, because it can be overwhelming. And we just have this nice community building and a ton of videos to keep them out of trouble. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.